are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and I'm so excited because I'm gonna share a beautiful breakfast recipe with you guys. This is called mango oats pancakes. Yes, we are gonna use mangoes in our pancakes and it's gonna be delicious, and we are not gonna use any eggs in that. Still, the pancakes are gonna fluffy, light, and the texture is gonna be amazing, and the flavor, oh my god, it's gonna be so delicious. We are gonna use oats in this recipe and it's gonna be healthy, and from your kids to your elders, everybody are gonna enjoy these pancakes. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Look at these pancakes, don't they look amazing? They not only look good, as you can see, they are so soft. So let's start the recipe. First, we need 2 bowls, 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, a pinch of salt and a pinch of baking soda, half a cup milk, 1/4 cup wheat flour, half a cup roasted oats flour. We took the rolled oats, roasted them and then turned into the flour. Now since we are making mango pancakes, definitely we need a mango, so we will be using 1 big mango. So let's start the preparation. Now in one bowl I will add half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoon yogurt. In another bowl we will add half a cup of oats flour, following with wheat flour. This is 1/4 cup, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, pinch of salt, a pinch of baking soda. Now we will start mixing all the dry ingredients. Make sure they are very well combined. Dry ingredients are ready. Now let's move towards the next step. We have to peel the mango and cut their slices. We will not be using seed. Transfer them into the blender jar and make a chunky pulp. Pulp is ready. As you can see, this is quite chunky. We don't want very smooth paste because we want the flavor of mangoes in our pancakes. Now transfer the mango pulp in the milk and the yogurt mix and start mixing them. Friends, any question or feedback you want to share, please share in the comment box. Now delicious mango milk yogurt mix is ready. We will combine all the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients and start mixing them. Make sure that everything is well combined. Now our pancake batter is ready. Here we have some dry fruits and an apple. In dry fruits we have pistachio, cashew nuts and almonds. It's not necessary that you use these dry fruits, you can use any dry fruit. So we have cut all the dry fruits and this apple. We will be using these things in the last. We also will be using some honey. Here the pancake batter is ready. We have already cut the apples. We have cut these apples into the slices so that they are easy to grab by the fork. You can choose any fruit that you like. My kids likes to eat apples, but you can use banana, pineapple or any other fruit. Here we have some cut dry fruits, 2 tablespoons butter that we have cut into pieces. Now in a pan we will add 1 piece of butter, or you can use 2 if you are making many at the same time. Spread the butter evenly. Now pour 1 scoop of pancake batter and spread them like this. Size you can make big or small as per your choice. Make sure the flame is on medium-low. Now on top of the pancakes we will add 1 piece of butter. After about 40 to 50 seconds we will turn them over. But you have to be very careful since they are very soft. Guys, you can see the beautiful golden color looks really tempting. We will cook them for about 30 to 40 seconds now, but make sure that they cook evenly. Now you can take out from the pan and transfer them to the plate. The first set of pancakes are ready. We will drizzle some honey on top of these pancakes. Friends, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Add some dry fruits to have a crunchy bite and serve with the fruits of your choice. Yummy, delicious pancakes are ready and they are very healthy too. Can't wait to have a bite. Guys, as you can see, they are very soft and you can cut them very easily. Now let me taste them. They are so delicious. Let me have a bite of an apple. My kids love to eat these pancakes in their breakfast. Friends, they are very delicious and you can really feel the mango flavor in these pancakes. Also, this is a perfect recipe for the people who doesn't eat eggs. I hope you liked my recipe. I will be keep coming with more and more yummy recipes. So subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. That way you will get all the notification for my videos. Thank you for the love which I am getting from all of you. Keep supporting me, keep loving me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.